Good afternoon, my name is Henny Kutsia. I'm the project director at Boogertman and Partners. We're responsible for the Fourways mall development. Well, 10 years ago we were engaged by our client to do the master planning of the whole Fourways precinct, which will allow a total development in a mixed-use fashion of 1 million square meters over time, of which the Fourways Mall is the first phase of this particular rollout into the future. Well, normally on a project of this scale, there's various disciplines involved, from ourselves as architects, structural engineers, civil engineers, mechanical, electrical and wet services engineers, and also town planners. And then the project is normally led by a project manager as principal agent.
So the future plans for Fourways Mall is to turn it into a major economic hub. The area already has a lot of retail, a lot of accommodation, but they want to improve the business. There's going to be a convention center, hotels, offices, additional retail, and in so doing investing over 10 billion, should I say, over 10 years in the area. Fourways Mall, being their pride of portfolio, is the first stage of this multi-phase development. The mall has been designed in such a way to accommodate future phases upon it and around it in the opening sites, including towers, hotels built on top of the shopping centre, additional parking. So in 10 years' time, Fourways Mall will be the catalyst for a completely different area.
Hello, my name is Herman Otto Vodenbender. I'm the bid manager for Boogertman and Partners. I've been assisting on the project with implementation of digital tools and different technologies in order to facilitate the design, the documentation and the construction of the Fourways Mall expansion. Well, I think this project is really important to highlight. It will never be possible without being created a truly collaborative environment through all the consulting companies around it. So we got a plus minus 25 different companies. And then, as Henny Kutsia said, our director, at the beginning of the project, we make an agreement with the client that this is going to be a full BIM environment. And all the companies took up the challenges, and then especially leading with between Boogertman and WSP, we lead all the coordination process. And then nothing of this would be possible without the collaborative environment that we pitch between all of us. So I think one of the most important things of any BIM process is about fostering collaboration, and then the technology and the digital tools will follow that process.
Hey, my name is Rakesh Rajkumar. I work for Boogertman and Partners. I'm the project technologist for Fourways Mall. I'm responsible for the VDC, Virtual Design and Construct elements for the mall, and also MEP services and structural coordination on BIM 360 and team. Well, we have found that using BIM 360, especially on a project of this scale, it was necessary to reinvent some of the workflows and methodologies and protocols in order to make sure that Revit doesn't just work independently, nor does BIM 360. So with Revit being to the power of BIM 360, has provided our team and our consultants with predictable outcomes that was tangible enough to understand easily and effectively on a weekly basis. With us using BIM 360, it enabled us to utilize our iPad Pro on site. It gave us the power to inspect any portion of the building while having all the current drawings of our architectural team and including the consultants, so that timeous decision making was made without having to wait to refer to drawings or to come back later on site via emails that didn't work, and to make sure that we do the right answer right the first time.
Modena is an Autodesk Gold partner. So we connect with Boogertman and Partners. We are the technology partner of choice. We provide the Autodesk software and we streamline their workflows, do audits on their work and their projects, basically to provide efficiencies and do what we can to make their projects suitable and more efficient as much as we possibly can. We introduced BIM 360, which is a collaboration product provided by Autodesk. Due to the size of this project and so many people in widely spaced areas, and also due to the fact that there's only 11 people on the project all trying to collaborate at the same time, the BIM 360 products have really been useful in streamlining the workflows and getting the efficiencies required.